Now, access to medical care in the country's prisons has become a very big challenge facing prison authorities in the country. Health officials at the prisons have to struggle in order to contain ailments of patients because there are no medical supplies and the infirmaries are usually in poor state. One of such facilities is the Ankaful Prison in Cape Coast. The infirmary was in a bad state and was without medicine to take care of patients in the prisons. Luckily, 5 Rotary Clubs have teamed up to refurbish the infirmaries for the prisons and stock it with medical supplies to enable them take care of the health needs of the inmates. Assistant Director of the Ankaful Prisons, Wilson Salah, says the facility needs a bigger infirmary to be able to attend to the health needs of the patients. Richard Kwejonyako has more in the following report.
The infirmary of the prison at Ankaful was next to nothing. No bed, no drugs to cater for the inmate, and generally, the structure is too small to serve the purpose it intends to serve. 5 Rotary Clubs, Rotary Club Accra, Accra Airport, Accra Airport City, Accra Sunrise, and Cape Coast Central came together to donate pharmaceutical products, medical equipment, and personal protective equipment, and also hand over a refurbished infirmary to the Ankaful Prisons. Assistant Director of the Ankaful Prisons, Wilson Salah, expressed his happiness about the gesture and called on the public to support the prisons to get a bigger infirmary.
We are having almost 500 inmates here, and if many of them fall sick, you can imagine what you go through if the drugs are not here. Sometimes when they come and we tell them the drugs are not here, it is very sad. We feel for them because there's nothing we can do if the drugs are not there. So the intervention of the Rotary Club bringing us drugs is a very, 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 very good opportunity, and we are very happy to receive them to give us the drugs here.
Physician assistant who takes care of the facility, Emmanuel Fosu, was clothed with joy, but says if the conditions at the prisons are not tackled, there could be a rippling effect on the public.
That the prison is only but an extension of the larger society, and whatever sickness, condition that starts from here can be extended because we come to be in contact with the inmates and we come to the house. We are with our children and family. Our wives go to the market. Our children go to school with your children. So a problem solved elsewhere is a problem solved everywhere. In that manner, I would say, looking at the structure just behind me, you can see that it's uncompleted. If philanthropists and corporate world will come in to support us to finish this, I think the office space we're talking about, which is inadequate and is hampering on our delivery of healthcare to our inmates, will be solved somehow, even though it will not take anything away.
Handing over the facility and the items, Rotarian Rosalind Awovi Kudwaji noted the gesture was made upon an appeal by the prison officers to help refurbish the infirmary, and they responded to the call.
They indicated that they did not have medication. The infirmary needed refurbishment. So we came, we had a look, and indeed we felt that it was important for us as Rotary Clubs to help not only our brothers who are unfortunately at this side of the law at this moment, but also the prison officers who help them. And we understand that we have about 500 inmates and the prison officers. So together with the Rotary Clubs of Accra, Accra Sunrise, Accra Airport City, Cape Coast Central, and Accra Airport, we came together, put our resources together, and then we came, as you can see, we have refurbished the infirmary, we've given them the bed they asked for, we've given them the table they asked for, we've given them pharmaceutical products, as you can see.
The prison authorities are calling for more support in order to help the inmates. Richard Kwejonyako, JoyNews, Cape Coast.